Hi loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will going to have some reading for our Libras, and this is for their part 2 for 2024 tarot predictions. So this is general reading, and the focus of energy and the overall energy for 2024 for our Libras collectives is in the part 1. So ito ay part 2 where we pulled some card. Nandun naman yan sa video. Um, Yun nga, na shots off yung or namatay yung ating mic nang hindi ko alam. Alam mo naman. Alam niyo naman laging ganun. Lagi ganun nangyayari sa akin na while recording, reading, hindi ko alam na nakapatay or lowbat na pala yung mic. Oo. I'm so sorry, my loves. Yan, hindi ko siya na-check na lowbat na pala. I'm so sorry talaga for that. And, yes, hopefully magkakaroon din ng changes doon. Na-realize ko na siguro yung mga the battery or yung Bluetooth na mic is pang travel na lang, gano'n. Pag dito siguro is dapat gumamit na ako yung direct na nakakonect para sure na talaga na nare-record yung sounds nung mga reading natin. Okay. So, let's move on. Let's move forward for the part 2 sa ating mga Libras babies. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga uh, patuloy na nag-click and nag-abang ng kanilang part 2, mga Libras babies for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. Okay. So, now, yung mga nag-pull natin, let's spread again. Let's pull some. Ito yung mga na-pull natin card. For our Libras, yes, there's a death card here. So, again, pag sinabi kasing death card, maganda ang meaning nito when it comes to tarot reading because this is significance for big change and time to move on. So, meron tayong mga, for our singles na Libras, and sabihin natin in separation, it is your year for 2024 is your time to move on. Kailangan mo na talaga siyang i-let go at bigyan ng endings. And of course, pag andyan ang ending, nandyan yung starting new or starting new beginning. Of course, nandyan din ang transformation. Okay, sa 2024 kasi, the energy of that year is rebirth. Yun talaga yung nakikita ko for when it comes to 2024 because our numerology for 2024 is number 8 and the cycle must end and rebirth sabi natin for new. So for your love life, so kung yung mga Libras natin is relationship, there's something will going to happen na magbabago or sabihin natin transition. So, maybe another step, another chapter of your relationship. Okay, collaboration. Sa mga singles natin, maybe ang iyong next love life ay masasabi natin makikilala mo through collaboration. So, hindi mo siya agad intentionally makikilala as your love life or yung sabihin natin yung intention is love life agad, hindi mo siya agad ganon ma-perceive. So, maaaring makilala mo to through one of your teamwork na magbibigay sa'yo or mag-share sa'yo ng skill. Okay, and yan din yung isa, sabihin natin, the one or the individual who work with you and learning with you. So, again, maaaring sa collaboration or sa teamwork muna kayo magsimula bago kayo magpatuloy sa another chapter ninyo, which is romantic relationship. Okay, for my dear Libras, some of you na sabihin natin, i-let go na yung mga taong hindi naman nagsiserve ng maganda o ng magandang purpose sa'yo dahil may darating. And yung mga darating na yun, iyon yung mga magiging ka-teamwork mo na mag-share sa'yo ng goals na tutulungan ka maging visionary, and of course, yung marami kang matututunan. Okay, so you might also, sabihin natin, you might also meet someone na very deceptive when it comes to love life. So, siguro ito yung sabihin natin, ang intention talaga is love, ganon. Pero, mag-ingat doon sa ganong klase ng individual as long as hindi sila nagko-contribute sa yung vision, sa yung, hindi nagko-contribute sa yung goals, wala kayong shared goals, or sabihin natin, baka isang palatandaan mo dyan kung hindi siya, kung labas siya doon sa teamwork, sa team na ginagalawan mo, ito yun, maaaring maka-encounter ka ng betrayal dun sa someone na makikilala mo na to na darating sa iyong love life. Magkaaring makaranas ka dito ng dishonesty and sneakiness. Pero isang palatandaan nga dyan, kung iyan ay divine blessing sa'yo, iyan ay nanggaling sa ka-team mo or sa collaboration mo or ka-partner na sabihin natin may kinalaman doon sa growth ng iyong career. Okay, you have to also this one, yung very deceptive na to, ang intention nito is to feelers. Ang intention nito ay maging feelers. Sabihin na natin kung wala kang love life, siya yung magpupuna. Sabihin natin na una pa lang ang intention nito is love life. But this one, your angels and guides are telling you to be careful to this someone because it might cost and it might brings you creative blocks. Okay? So, maaaring ito yung someone na meron pang emotional maturity and insecurity. And ito din yung someone na maaaring they are neglecting their inner child. So, when they are neglecting their inner child, maaaring hindi siya maging passionate sa kanyang ginagawa. Maaaring hindi kayo magsalubong dahil ikaw nga ay ang magiging focus mo is your career, your workmanship, and also yung sabihin natin, ang isa sa mga goals mo is yung to work and to learn. Okay? To nourish your skills. So, kung yung someone na yan, sabihin natin, okay lang naman kung merong mag-o-offer sa'yo, magpo-propose sa'yo ng love. Pero kung ito ay wala kayong shared goals na may kinalaman sa inyong career, maaaring hindi ito yon. Hindi siya yung nandito sa blessings na yon. Okay. So, maybe you are currently, sabihin natin, stuck in the past, and sabihin na natin na kailangan is mag-let go ka na. Maaaring sa year 2024, papasok, parang kumbaga, meron pa yung portion ng buhay mo, meron pa rin season ng life mo sa 2024 na magiging nostalgic ka. But, always remember to, sabihin na natin, always remember to, yan is just a part of your blessings. To be sentimentality or sabihin natin maging sentimental. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka na nag-healed. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka healed. Kumbaga, okay lang na maging nostalgic, balikan yun, but it doesn't mean na babalik ka mismo doon sa pangyayari na yun, mauulit-ulit yung nangyari na yun. That is just a part. Sabihin natin, part of your healing and you are healing. Okay, inner child. As long as you healed your inner child, pinagbibigyan mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin that gives you comfort and pleasure, okay lang yon. Kumbaga, nandun ka pa rin, you are aligned with your healing journey. Okay, so, ngayon, dito, ito kasi sa side na to, yung energy na to, meron darating sa iyo na may darating sa iyo na unhealed or neglecting their inner child. But I want you to know na yung darating sa iyo na blessings with your love life is kabaliktaran nun. He or she is taking in control. Meron siyang sabihin natin, nare-recognize ang kanyang power, and he or she is natural born leader. Okay? Sabi ko nga, basta yung makikilala mo na yan, whether you are in, sabihin natin, romantic relationship, kahit hindi, pero doon talaga yan start. I feel na hindi kayo agad, sabihin natin, start na sa romantic relationship agad. Start kayo as partner or a team. And ang isa sa mga character niya is natural born leader or visionary. So, ito din ay siya din ay maaaring optimistic and bold when it comes to their vision, when it comes to their goals. Okay? And also, they are very communicative. They are very good when it comes to communications and tutulungan ka niya, kumbaga nandyan yung thirst for knowledge. Kumbaga mahahatak ka niya para mas maging, sabihin natin, mas ma-nurture pa yung skills mo and um, maging inspired, okay? Bibigyan ka niya ng inspiration, bibigyan ka niya ng good communication kasi isa sa mga nagiging blockages natin when it comes to relationship, and by the way, this is for our singles, is yung hindi marunong makipag-communicate. Hindi nila kan i-communicate kung ano man yung nasa isip nila, kung ano man yung nasa emotion. But this one, I think since na naging magkasama kayo, naging magkakilala kayo first as a team, they are witty, of course. They are chatty. Ayan, kumbaga, they are the one na sabihin nating isa sa mga nakaka-attract sa kanya is yung for being chatty relentlessness. Okay? So, yun ang isa sa mga character pag na sabihin natin blessings for your love life. And yun nga, mag-ingat dito sa may deception, merong someone pa rin na darating sa'yo to getting away with something or sabihin natin sneaky or scheming strategy. So, doon, lumitaw to sa love portion ninyo, kaya mag-ingat din doon. Okay. So, this someone na yung good with communication, they may offer new material, new job opportunities. Okay, this someone with good communication skills, with thirst for knowledge, they may also help you to have new opportunities and sabihin natin new manifestations when it comes to your love life and career. Magko-connected siya kasi nga, una nga dito, ang lilitaw is hindi nyo intentionally magkaroon agad ng romantic relationship. Okay? And doon naman sa ating mga Libras in relationship, there's a new manifestations and also material offer. Baka yung partner mo merong pinaplano na i-provide sa'yo. Maaaring ang relationship nyo ay mag-step up. So, there's a new material offer. Okay? Doon sa ating mga in relationship na Libras babies. And, again, sa ating mga Libras in relationship, there are someone, your person is waiting for the timing to this offer. Waiting for the timing to offer you something. And I feel that they are waiting to, sabihin natin, awaiting on how to decide. Okay, waiting for their ships to sail bago nila to mabigay. Okay. They are planning to give you something. Sa mga in a relationship natin, to give you something, they use foresighting dito. And sabihin natin, your person wants new horizon for your relationship. They want expansion for your relationship, my dear Libras. Okay. They have to gain right now they are gaining some confidence na kung paano na nila to i-offer. But their decision was made. Alam nila sa sarili nilang ikaw na sa mga hindi pa, sabihin natin hindi pa legally bind. And yun nga, alam nila, gusto nila ng progress sa sa inyong relationship. Okay. And right now, ito ay hindi mo alam. Wala kang alam dito sa pinaplano ng iyong kapartner or ng iyong person. Hindi mo siya alam. For our singles again, Libras, your love life for 2024, meron ka ding makikilala na someone or sabihin na natin isang sign na hindi, sabihin natin karmic or hindi ito yung divine blessing sa'yo is kung yung iyong makikilala ay really jealous. Okay? And sabihin natin low of self-confidence. May pagka-selfish and sabihin natin ego-driven. So, yun yung mga signs na sabihin natin, medyo mag-ingat ka pag nakakilala or may dumating sa yung someone na ganito, may nag-offer sa iyo ng love na ganito, yung mga characteristics. Because they might give you some deceitful energy and infidelity when it comes to your love life. So, mag-ingat tayo doon, my Libra babies. But dito sa ating other Libras na mag-offers, I'm really excited for you because your person wants some progress and growth when it comes to your relationship. They are planning with these 3 of Wands kung ano yung mga gusto pa nilang mangyari kasama ka. Kasi ayan o, ayan. Nakatanaw sila doon sa mga barko na to na kung saan, kumbaga, na foresight na nila kung ano yung magandang mangyari. And ito ay may kinalaman sa offering. To offer you something. Okay? Okay. So, for your year, you have 2024, you have to, sabihin natin, take balance. You have to find balance. So, maybe and yes is the answers for you. Parang kumbaga, ito ay nakadepende sa'yo, like what I said, the magician. Ito ay lahat nakadepende sa'yo. Lahat ng, sabi natin, energy na to, you are, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa part 1, you are a powerful, very powerful manifester. So, nasa sa'yo yon, kaya maybe, kasi nakadepende yun sa'yo kung paano mo ibabalance yung iyong energy and also yung mga resources. Sabihin natin kung paano mo i-handle yung mga ups and downs na dalating sa'yo sa 2024. Kagaya nga niyan, may mga nostalgic, may something, may mga season na darating sa'yo na kung saan naaalala mo yung mga bagay-bagay. Nasa sa'yo yun, you have to apply adaptability and flexibility when it comes to your year. Okay? And of course, you have to taking care of what, sabihin natin, kung ano na nasimulan mo, in-nurture mo lang yan. And sa mga someone natin with our Libras lovelies out there, may mga iba din na, kagaya na sinabi ko, is may kinalaman ng pregnancy. So, baka yan yung year mo para magkaroon ng baby. Yes. Kung ikaw ay nagmamanifest ng baby, that is your year. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, your angels, message from your angels is look for a sign. Always look for a sign. Kumbaga maging attentive ka. Kung ikaw ay kung ikaw, communicate clearly. Communicate sabihin natin kung ano yung wish mo, lalo na yung sa pagpasok ng ating year. I-manifest mo na talaga agad kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. I-predict mo na, sabihin natin, i-manifest mo na agad kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Ilagay mo na agad siya sa iyong mga vision, gumawa ka ng vision board, i-communicate mo kung ano talaga gusto mo. Okay? Communicate clearly with your ancestors, with your angels and guides, and always listen to your intuition. Once na nakipag-communicate ka sa kanila, sabihin natin, bibigyan ka agad nila ng sagot. All you have to do is maging attentive sa kanilang mga signs and synchronicities na ibinibigay. And of course, listen to your intuition kasi iyan talaga yung sagot doon sa mga katanungan na yon. And kung meron mang something na mababago, transition, transformation, take it as a blessings kasi blessings, iyan ang isa sa mga blessings nyo. Your angels and guides are telling you to choose a new direction. Okay, my loves? Recognition, they are assuring you for recognition. Ayan, my dear Libras, always gain your independence because your independence is a foundation of your strength and success. So, that is the focus of your, sabihin natin, 2024, the general reading of your 2024. And I think that's all for this part 2 of our reading for Libra's 2024 Tarot Prediction. And see you in my next one.